Oh, yeah.
Such a model.
Oh.
Call to order now at www.case.us. Get custom fit protection with the custom fit kit that includes a custom fit pads for knees, shins, pads, elbows, hips, tailbone, chest, back, shoulders, and elbows. Look at how sexy this man is. Buy it now, otherwise they don't pay me. Actually, I don't even know if I'm getting paid. Buy now, 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 buy now.